Hi everybody, welcome to this Wall Street News. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, the Employment Cost Index, which measures workers' salaries and benefits, rose 1.2% in the first quarter 2024 on a quarterly basis, above market expectations of 1%. 10-year Treasury yield rose to 4.67% on higher than expected employment cost index. S&P 500 fell 1.57% Tuesday as fears of higher interest rates rise. Shares of Amazon.com rose 1.23% in extended trading after its earnings call. The company's president and CEO Jassy said during the conference call, quote, "We remain very bullish on AWS," end quote. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, compensation costs for civilian workers increased 1.2% in the first quarter, quarter-over-quarter, above market expectations of 1%. Wages and salaries increased 1.1%. Benefit costs also rose 1.1% on a quarterly basis. Federal Reserve sees the Employment Cost Index as a significant measure of inflation, so the higher-than-expected ECI report raised fears in the financial markets ahead of FOMC announcements on Wednesday. 10-year Treasury yield topped 4.73% right after the Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index for the first quarter was released on last Thursday. Then the yield went down after the March PCE Price Index on last Friday. Then the yield rises again on the higher-than-expected Employment Cost Index. For the U.S. stocks, S&P 500 fell 1.57% Tuesday as fears of higher interest rates rise due to the higher-than-expected Employment Cost Index. Dow lost 1.49%, tech-heavy Nasdaq dropped 2.04%. Shares of Amazon.com rose 1.23% in extended trading after its earnings call. The company reported $143.3 billion revenue for the previous quarter, up 13% year-over-year, and 98 cents adjusted EPS, up 228% from the previous year. So the company beat it on the top and bottom lines. But for the current quarter revenue, the company expected it to be between $144 billion to $149 billion, lower than market forecasts of $150.1 billion. Amazon CEO Jassy talked about AI and its cloud business, said, quote, "We've recently launched a new generative AI tool that enables sellers to simply provide a URL to their own website. And we automatically create high-quality product detail pages on Amazon. Already, over 100,000 of our selling partners have used one or more of our Gen AI tools." Moving to AWS, year-over-year revenue growth accelerated to 17.2% in Q1, up from 13.2% in Q4. Given a much larger infrastructure cloud computing base, at this growth rate, we see more absolute dollar growth again quarter-over-quarter in AWS than we can see elsewhere. Today we announced the general availability of Amazon Q, the most capable generative AI-powered assistant for software development and leveraging companies' internal data. Customers are gravitating to Q, and we already see companies like Rykoff, British Telecom, Datadog, Gitlet, GoDaddy, National Australia Bank, NCS, NetSmart, SmartSeed, Sun Life, Toyota and Wiz using Q. The more demand AWS has, the more we have to procure new data centers, power, and hardware. As a reminder, we spend most of the capital upfront, and we don't spend the capital without very clear signals that we monetize it this way. We expect the combination of AWS reaccelerating growth and high demand for Gen AI to meaningfully increase year-over-year capital expenditures in 2024, which, given the way the AWS business model works, is a positive sign of the future growth. We remain very bullish on AWS, end quote. Okay, this is end of today's news. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.